All right, lift on 3. 1, 2, 3. Got it. Keep it steady. Careful with the edges. Don't bruise them. To the truck. Watch your step. Clear the path. Pack them tight to avoid bruising. Stacking them securely for the factory. This load is ready for transport.
The mango truck moves steadily from the farm road toward the factory, its load of crates secure. At the plant, workers efficiently transfer the crates, beginning the juice production process.
The delivery truck arrives at the factory unloading area, bringing the mangoes for crates of mangoes and move them into the facility. The next stage is sorting and washing to ensure the mangoes are clean and graded for quality. Ripe mangoes are manually transferred from crates onto conveyor belts. Workers ensure a steady, continuous flow into the processing line. This is smooth of filtration. The mangoes travel onward for sorting and packing.
We inspect each mango carefully to catch any damage.
Damaged fruit affects the juice quality and taste, so we remove them to ensure a premium
Product.
crucial for consistent high-quality juice.
The clean mangoes exit the washing system, their surfaces glistening with water. They move onto the conveyor belts, ready for the next stage. This completes the washing stage, ensuring quality and hygiene.
All right, feed is steady. Watch the mesh. Pulp's clearing well, fiber separating clean. Base is pure, good run. Temperature holding steady at 85 degrees. The pressure is optimal. Please correct it. Line speed is optimal, no jams. Group complete, carton advancing. Next batch incoming, maintain flow. Stack them tight, no gaps. Got it, next pallet's ready. Keep the pace up, team.
Washing line is steady at 150 liters per minute.
Good.
Bottling's output is on track. Keep monitoring the temperature.
Will do. Efficiency is holding at 92%.
Levels are stable, juice looks perfect. Flow rate optimal, no leaks.
Let's check the color and clarity.
The hue looks consistent with the standard.
Good. Now for the texture and purity. Viscosity is 1.8, within range.
Final stage filtration. Ultrafine filters are removing the last traces of impurities. Pressure is steady.
Excellent. The juice is now perfectly refined.
Flow rate holding steady at 120 liters per minute. Pressure is optimal, no contamination risk. Initiating transfer to bottling. Line is clear.
Quality metrics are stable. Brix is holding at 12.5.
Speed is good, but we're slightly below target, 450 BM.
No downtime. Agreed. All systems are green. Flow rate is steady at 450. We can optimize for higher yield. Agreed. Efficiency is at 92%. I'll adjust the pumps. Good. Now bottling speed is are optimal and stable. Initiating final homogenization cycle. Speed ramping to 2800 RPM. The juice is achieving perfect consistency.
Confirmed. Shutting down agitator. The sweetness is close, but the consistency feels slightly off.
Running the viscometer now.
Good. Let's adjust the thickener ratio.
Perfect. This batch is approved. Initiating final batch mix on tanks 47 through 52. Agitation at 20 RPM. Color and texture indices are stabilizing. Approving for transfer. Sealing is tight, ready for the next pack. Pack secured, moving to palletizing.
Filling is steady at 450 BPM. Quality metrics are green.
Good. Packaging output is on track 12.
Yes, we're at 87% completion. No defects.
Excellent. Keep monitoring fluctuations.
Clear path. Bringing in another load. Stack secure. Next batch ready. Good pace. Keep it moving.
Harvest data is up, 5,000 kilos and climbing.
Confirmed. Extraction looks good, holding at 85%.
Packaging is smooth, 8,000 bottles filled, labels at 9 minutes out.
Ready for the final sensory test?
Yes, proceed with taste and color.
Taste is excellent. Moving on.
Color and texture are perfect.
Approved. Let's sign off.
Check the viscosity on tank 4. Levels are stable. Proceed to bottling.
All tanks synchronized. Homogenization complete.
Load the mango juice pallets into the trucks. Priority shipment. Copy that. Lifting the first pallet now. Pallet secured. Moving it in. Good work. Check the labels on the next batch.
That's the last pallet. Secure the straps. Clear for departure. Move out. Next convoy, get in position.
Batch 23, ready for inspection.
Applying certification stamp now. Stamp complete. Product is certified.
The production cycle is complete. These cartons are ready for shipment.
The whole line ran perfectly. A real achievement.
This is a great result for the whole team. Excellent work, everyone.